Today, Sarah and I are really excited to make a delicious Tortino ai funghi. I don't quite know how to translate it except to say that it's kind of a marriage between a frittata and maybe an omelet. So now we're gonna chop our mushrooms up. We have some oyster mushrooms and then the chanterelles. Now I guess you could use any kind of mushroom. This is just what we had on hand. We're going to place them back in here. And this is an absolutely delicious vegetarian dish. Now we're gonna get some of this garlic and just quickly crush it so that it's gonna be easier to peel. Maybe one more piece. For some reason, garlic and mushrooms go really well together. Now, normally we probably would add some heat to it with some cayenne, but since it's a more delicate dish, we might just put a little bit of black pepper, but no heat. So we're gonna chop this up really fine as well. We'll set the garlic to the side, and then we'll grab some of this parsley. And even parsley is very delicious with mushrooms. And these stems are nice and fine, and so we can use those as well. And we can just do it with this, or sometimes we love to use the mezzaluna to get it even finer. So as far as the stems are concerned, I'm gonna just chop them a little bit extra. When you chop things up, if you can bend the last phalange in, just like this, and rest the knife on this part of your fingers and kind of pull your thumb back, it is very easy to chop things up and not cut yourself. Plus, what you do with this hand, you slowly crawl backwards. This is what I was talking about when I said mezzaluna, which means half moon. And what you simply do is rock back and forth. And that's also an easy way to chop up things very finely. So here is our preheated pan. We're going to put a bit of butter in there, as well as some olive oil. And right in here, we're going to put the garlic, a little bit of the parsley, as well as the mushrooms. At this point, we're not going to add any salt yet, otherwise that will draw water out from the mushrooms. Now we're going to bring this out and place it inside the oven. The fire is lit inside the gas oven. We will close the door and allow the oven to do its magic. And here are our fresh eggs. Did you know that it's best, instead of cracking the egg on something, a surface like this, is to actually crack it on the table, and that prevents the eggshells to go inside. So we're gonna put our eggs in here and then whisk them really well. Here comes the last one. This one may be a double yolker. Let's see. Yep, look at there. 2 yolks in there. Now, we're gonna whisk all this up really well. And here we can already add some salt to taste. And if you like, even a little bit of pepper. Time to peek inside, pull it out, and look at this. Absolutely perfect. Now, a bit of salt. And we're going to gather things more towards the center. Just like so. Just a quick drizzle of olive oil. And now it is around here that we are going to pour the egg, just like so. And this will go back out into the oven. And here we go again. We'll place it in and close the door. Let's pull it out. Oh, wow. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. All that is left to do is just a sprinkle of this fresh prezzemolo parsley, and we are ready to serve this. I'm gonna wish you un buon appetito.